I'll do a cold start on the Troy Bilt down here at the family vacation home. Be the first start of the year. Hasn't been started since around late October, and today's March 14th. This is a great little lawnmower here. This is a 6.5 horsepower engine with a Z-start, and we're just cleaning up the Centipede yard, which is not much growing yet, but I wanted to go ahead and put down some lime, which will neutralize all the moss sometimes we get here in this yard with some of the shade in the back in particular. You can see it within this grass here. That lime helps to prevent so much of it growing. So let's give it a start, first start of the year. Alright, we're going to prime this a few times. Got some gas in it, oil is full. Next time I come down here I'm going to change the oil and sharpen the blade in here. Let's see if it'll start up here. I got a bag on this as well because I just want to capture all the junk in this yard here. So here we go. Try to start first time.